Okay, good afternoon, class. So now let's start our discussion for tutorial Excel module Carbonyl compound. Okay, so there are how many questions? Okay, let's check. Okay, there are one is about naming. Oh no, this is guided module. Okay, two is about drawing. This is guided module. Okay, and then three is about drawing as well. Okay, so there are total around 12 questions, 12 essay question, and then 6 objective question. This one, Madam wants you all right, go through by yourself first. Okay, I will share the recording video with you all for the discussion for guided module. So today we focus on Excel module. Okay, so this is the first question for Excel module about naming. Okay, about naming. So first, okay, let's check your friend's answer whether correct or not. Okay. So, do you think the answer is correct? Yes or no? Two. Okay, wait. Okay. Your friends answer the first question. Pre-pentanal, correct or not? So, which one is the position number one? Here. Here is the position number one. Yeah, correct. 2, 3, 4, 5. At the position number 3, there is a carbon-carbon double bond. So that's why 3-pentanal. Okay, well done. Correct. Okay, question number B. Okay, so this is position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Position number 4, there is alcohol. So when alcohol becomes from a substituent, right, it will become hydroxy. So 4-hydroxy cyclohexanone. Okay, well done. Okay, and then this one, question number C. Okay, C, this is position number 1. Yeah, 2, 3, 4. At the position number 3, there is bromo. So free bromobutana, correct? And then next, okay, which one is the position number 1? Actually, this is benzene ring. This one is a benzene ring. So this one is a functional group for aldehyde. So this is position number 1. So benzaldehyde. Okay, at position number 2, there is a substituent, 2-methyl. So 2-methyl benzaldehyde. Okay, well done. Okay, so any question for the naming for question number 1?
No, madam.
Okay, good. Okay, 2-methyl benzaldehyde. Oh, okay, 2-methyl benzene carb. Oh, okay, this is another name as well. Yeah, can benzene carbaldehyde. Okay, also can, no problem. You can put it as 2-methyl benzene carbaldehyde or 2-methyl benzaldehyde. Okay, normally, right, we straight away we use this one as the parent change, benzaldehyde. Okay, so you better write down 2-methyl. Okay, benzaldehyde. Okay, 2-methyl benzaldehyde. Okay, next. Okay, drawing. I have to adjust the size a bit. Okay. Okay. 3-phenylpropana. Position 1, position 2, position 3. No. Position 3 is here. This is position. There are only 3 carbon. So this is an attachment. So that's why propana. Okay, position 1, 2, 3. 3-phenyl. Okay, 3-phenyl. When benzene ring becomes substituent, we call it as phenyl. 3-phenylpropana. Okay, next, the name given is 2,4-dinitropenzaldehyde. Yeah, this is benzaldehyde. This one is benzaldehyde, position number 1. Okay, number 2, number 4. Okay, 2,4-dinitropenzaldehyde. Okay, next. Okay, butanol. So position 1, position 2. Oh, no, because we need to ensure that the position 1 gives to the substituent. So this is position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4. So this is 2-butanol. Okay, at the position 1, there's phenyl. 1-phenyl, 2-butanol. Okay, next, pentanol. Okay, 2-pentanol. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At position number 3, number 4, there are two substituents, which is methyl. So that's why 3,4-dimethyl. Okay, 2-pentanone. Okay. Okay, wow. This one I have to rotate the answer. Okay. Okay, let's check the answer. So this question asks about boiling point. So increasing order of boiling point. So the lowest one is cyclohexene carbaldehyde. The second is 1-cycloethanol. And then the third one is cyclomethanol. Yeah, you get the answer correctly. Okay, and then how to explain? Okay, so you better use the symbol like this, like this. Okay, because increasing order, right? Okay, so increasing order of boiling point. So if you check, right, cyclohexene, okay, and then carbobenzaldehyde is C double bond O. Oh, okay. Just now, right, the naming, right, you cannot use the name, Okay, I noticed, right, okay, carbaldehyde is the C double bond OH, so do you write down the benzene? Let me check one more time, where is the answer? This one. 2-methylbenzene. Oh, benzene, can. Because you mentioned the benzene ring. Yeah, can. Okay. So this is cyclohexane. Okay, this part carbaldehyde. Okay, C double bond OH is carbaldehyde. So cyclohexene carbaldehyde. Okay, and then ethanol, 1, 2, ethanol double bond O. Okay, and then position here, there is a cyclohexyl. Okay, make sure that you know cyclohexyl actually is cyclohexene as well. Cyclohexene. Okay. Sorry for my drawing. Like this. Okay. So C double bond O. Okay, CH3. Right here. Okay, yeah. So this is 1-cyclohexyl ethanol. Okay, 1-cyclohexyl ethanol. And then this one, cyclohexyl. Okay, again, cyclohexyl as the substituent. Cyclohexyl. And then methanol. Alcohol. This one is alcohol. Methanol, alcohol. Okay. So based on here, right, you notice, okay, alcohol and carbonyl is different functional group. Alcohol and carbonyl is different functional group. Alcohol has the highest boiling point. Okay. And then ketone. And then aldehyde. Why? And then this one is aldehyde. Why? Okay, let's check the explanation from your friend's answer. Okay. 1-cyclohexyl ethanol. Ethanol or ethanol? Oh, ethanol has higher boiling point than cyclocarbaldehyde. Okay, it's due to what reason? It's due to van der Waals forces, because both of them are carbonyl. Okay, the difference, right, is here. There is extra C here. Okay, that's why larger molecular size, larger molecular size. If larger molecular size means stronger van der Waals forces, when you compare between carbonyl, you just compare in terms of the molecular size. Okay, if larger molecular size and then stronger the van der Waals forces. Okay, if compared with alcohol, cyclohexyl is with alcohol group. That's why it can form hydrogen bond. So as we know, right, hydrogen bond is stronger than van der Waals forces. So yeah, hydrogen bond, very good, you mentioned. So stronger than dipole forces and London dispersion. Okay, like you can, because you included both, actually dipole forces and London dispersion forces all considered as van der Waals forces, so more energy is required to break the hydrogen bond. Yeah, acceptable. Okay, very good. Okay, apa jawapan yang dia nak jawab tu adalah dia ada beritahu, okay, ini ethanol higher than cyclocarbaldehyde is due to the more polarized. And then increase stronger than require. Actually, not due to more polarized, it due to the molecular size. Okay. Yang lain boleh dapat ke tak? Okay, jawapan anda betul separuh lah. Jawapan separuh. Okay. Kena ingat is between this aldehyde and this ketone, right? Is due to molecular size. Nanti dia ada extra satu C kat sini. Okay, larger molecular size. So stronger the van der Waals forces. Okay, semua orang boleh? Okay, boleh. Okay, so you must mention about carbaldehyde and this one cyclohexylethanol is due to molecular size. So larger molecular size, stronger van der Waals forces. And then compare with alcohol, this alcohol can form molecular hydrogen bond, or you can mention hydrogen bond acceptable. Okay, now we proceed with question number 4. Okay, from green team. Based on the following information, write all the reaction equation. So, you have to write all the reaction equation involved for the formation of PQS. So this question some sort like deduce as well, but it's part by part. Okay, this question is like deduce, but it asks part by part. So P, ozone. So you know alkene already. Okay, and then form benzaldehyde and propanol. So benzaldehyde, yes. Propanol, yes. Okay, you need to combine from this part. Okay, so you just combine this part, yeah. Okay, so you just copy the left side and right side. So this part is from benzaldehyde. And then this part is from the ketone, propanol. Okay, from propanol, ketone. Okay, so you get the answer correctly. Okay, this is 4A. The answer for 4A, what is the name? 2-methyl-1-phenylpropane. Okay, next, R. React with bromine water to form white precipitate. White precipitate, okay, we should learn already in alcohol, phenol. Okay, so phenol, okay, you check, is it phenol? Yeah, C6H6OH. Okay, actually, you know, right, if you know how to write out, actually it's C6H5OH. Okay, the OH is represent the phenol. Okay, very good, well done. 2,4,6-tribromophenol. Okay, and then next, S is formed when 1-butanol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, follow the treatment with hydrogen bromide. Okay, so you have to understand there are two reactions. First is with concentrated sulfuric acid, and then next is hydrogen bromide. So the first one, okay, 1-butanol react with concentrated sulfuric acid, heat, and then form alkene, which is elimination. Okay, and then actually it can form two products. The double bond can form between C1 and C2 or C2 and C3. Okay, but we'll check. Okay, followed by treatment with hydrogen bromide. Okay, 1-butanol by right, okay, it can form 2-butane. 2-butane, by right you have to form 2-butane. 2-butane, not here. Okay, so this is minor product. This one is minor product. We need to form the major product. Okay, class, always remember, for the dehydration of alcohol, you always form the major product. So the answer should be like this, CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH3. Okay, this answer is not correct because we don't want minor product. We want the major product. Okay, and then, of course, if you form the product here wrongly, S is wrong as well. Okay, because the question didn't ask anything, right? Didn't ask about just ask you S is formed when 1-butanol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid followed by treatment HBr. So the answer for S suppose is like this, CBr. Okay, so this is the answer, CH3, CH, here's CH2, CH3. Get it? For question number 4. So the S suppose is 2 bromo, 2
Yes,
bromo, 2 bromobutane. S is 2 bromobutane. 2 bromobutane. Okay, question 5 we have discussed already, but we just have an overview. Again, one more time. So very good. Okay, you jot down the point. Okay, so we start from E. E is condensation. Yeah, condensation. So you just copy everything and then form C double bond N here. Okay, I change to red. Okay, and then nucleophilic addition. Yeah, nucleophilic addition. Correct. Okay, and then this one is Tolen oxidation. C double bond O. Okay, and then here, yeah, you just copy everything, just C double bond O become O. And then don't forget the silver mirror, Ag precipitate. Okay, and then PCC from here, right? Okay, here, this PCC, this compound H is the reactant. So this is alcohol. This one is primary alcohol. Okay, and then form aldehyde by using PCC. Okay, if aldehyde continue oxidize with strong oxidizing agent, it will form carboxylic acid. Okay, this is nucleophilic addition as well. Okay, so you have to attach this part. OCH2Cl. Something wrong, Be careful, OCH2Cl. So by right is CH2CH3, Be careful, Okay, OCH2CH3, the CH3 at the end of the compound, and then OH, nucleophilic addition. Please take note, This is the common mistake do by the student, so you have to alert. OCH2CH3. Same for here. This one you get it correctly. Okay, O carbon, OH, and then CH2CH3. Okay, if reduced, right? Okay, aldehyde reduced will become alcohol. Okay, good. Okay, done for question 5. Now we look at question 6 and question 7. Okay, question 6 is asked about synthesis. Am I right? Sorry, question 7 is asked about synthesis, right? Where is question 7? Question 6, sorry, question 6. Okay, let me find the question. Where is the question? Okay, I try to find, I just want to share with you all. Okay, so E. Okay. Outline 3 method. Synthesis 3-methyl-3-hexanol from Grignard reagent and suitable carbonyl compound. Okay, 3 method. Okay, and then alcohol hexanol. Okay, the question asks about 3 method from Grignard reagent. Okay, so this is a common question. It's a popular question. Okay, soalan ni soalan memang popular kerana dia nak uji kefahaman anda terhadap Grignard reagent. Macam mana anda boleh menyediakan 3-methyl-3-hexanol melalui Grignard reagent. Okay, so let's check your friend's answer. This is question 6. Okay, let's check one by one. So first of all, right, you must know, okay, must make sure that the what compound? You must draw the 3-methyl-3-hexanol correctly. Hexanol, 6 carbon, okay, and then there is a 1 substituent, okay. Okay, it's hexanol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3 hexanol, 3 methyl. Yeah, okay. So for this case, right, you have to play around with the cleavage of the compound. Can be here, can be here, can be here. Here. You nampak dia boleh 3. Can be here, can be here, can be here. Okay. So first, yeah, you are using the CH3, meaning that from here. Okay, this is the first one. And then you're using the second one. The second one, CH. Is it one H I'm missing? One bonding, two bonding, three bonding, one bonding, two bonding. CH2, right? CH2
Yes,
here
madam.
missing. Missing. Okay, so this part is from here. CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, another one is from here. Okay, this part lah. Another one is from here. CH2, CH3. Okay, well done. Actually, you get the idea already, yeah? So you play around with the green light reagent. So there are three parts. Okay, you boleh tukar sini, tukar sini, tukar sini. So the first one is here, CH3, CH3, MgBr. So the second one is with three carbons, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. And then third one is here, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, so meaning that later, right, here will become OH. Okay, and then you attach this part. So attach this part. So other part just remain the same. Okay, so here also the same. Here will become OH. Okay, and then here we attach the CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here also the same. Here become OH, and then here we attach the CH3 over here. Okay, so very good. You get the idea how to synthesize the alcohol. Okay, by using different green light reagent and different carbonyl compound. Okay, well done. And then you remember to write down the hydrolysis, the H3O plus. Okay, so well done for this team. Okay, question 6. Siapa tak faham? Mereka jawab dengan betul. Okay, mereka jawab dengan betul. Okay, so kalau ini ialah dari sintesis dia tunjukkan tiga cara. Tapi kan nanti soalan deduce kan, soalan deduce dia boleh bagi soalan macam ni, jadi anda kena teka lah yang compound yang mana, green light reagent yang mana, carbonyl yang mana dapat bentuk yang ini. Dia akan bagi hints you all. Okay, mungkin iodoform test ke, okay, mungkin dia negative result bagi bagi failing ke, macam and so on lah. Okay, so you can jot down the answer for question number 6. Cuba faham kan soalan 6 soalan 6 soalan yang bagus kerana dia bagi tunjukkan semua kemungkinan yang tepat bagi 3 methyl 3 hexanol melalui green light reagent yang berbeza, carbonyl compound yang berbeza. Since this is tertiary alcohol, dia mesti dari ketone lah. Okay, kalian nampak memang dari ketone because it's tertiary alcohol. Okay, ketone here. Ketone. Then here also ketone. Yeah. Okay. Boleh Madam sambung ataupun nak masa catat lagi? Siapa tak faham? Boleh tanya.
Faham, madam.
Okay, Okay, now we move on to question 7 that we discussed just now. Okay, so first of all, right, you must identify the functional group, okay, which is C double bond O, carbonyl. So NaCN acidify as sodium cyanide, right? So this is electrophilic, nucleophilic addition. This is nucleophilic addition. This is nucleophilic addition. So the double bond O will become OH and then CN is added. Okay, make sure attach to C, the CC bond, and then this is CO bond. Okay, after that, hydrolyze, as I said just now, hydrolyze, it will become COOH. CN hydrolyze will become COOH. Okay, this is hydrolyzed. Later we will learn CN reduce what happened. Okay, this is under amine. Okay, from here, right, there is another reaction. CN will undergo reduction, and then what happened? Okay, so if you're interested with this one, you can check by yourself. Okay, when CN reduce, right, it will become what? Okay, CN reduce, undergo reduction. What happened? Okay, the preparation of amine. This is one of the preparation of amine. So here is the preparation for carboxylic acid. Okay, now C double bond O, right, reduce, it will become alcohol. Okay, and then C double bond O, this is ketone, right? Ketone react with cleanup reagent, we form tertiary alcohol. So you just copy everything here. Okay, and then the double bond O become OH, and then the CH2, CH3 is attached to here. Okay, and then this is alcohol. Alcohol, right? Okay, undergo elimination. This is elimination reaction. And then it form carbon-carbon double bond. Always remember, because later, if you, according to the mechanism, right, it will form a tertiary carboxylic ion here. So if form tertiary carboxylic ion, it can form double bond here, or double bond here is the same. Kanan kiri bentuk double bond pun sama je, jadi salah satu lah. Another one, it will form double bond here. So the major product is here, because when it form double bond here, right, if there are 3 alkyl group, it form double bond at another part, right? Okay, from here, right? So it only has 2 alkyl group. From here also only can form 2 alkyl group, is the same. So that's why this is the only answer, because the question asks about major product. Okay, this is question 7. Okay, now we move on to question number 8. Question number 8 is about chemical test. Okay, question number 8 is about chemical test. Give a chemical test to distinguish between the following compound, write the chemical equation, and give the observation. Okay. Okay, I know why you don't know how to do question number 8, because 8A is involved ketone and benzyl chloride. Actually, sebenarnya dia salah je, kerana you sudah complicated kan. You asyik fikir pasal Fehling, pasal toluene. Actually, it's very simple. There is one test special for carbonyl compound. What is the test?
Brady test.
Brady test. Soalan senang. Brady test. Boleh faham kumpulan merah? Brady test. Okay, the first one. We need to differentiate between, okay, because there is no reaction for benzyl chloride. Kita tak belajar benzyl chloride, tapi kita belajar carbonyl. So this one we can use Brady test. Okay, Brady test. Okay, butana benzaldehyde. Okay, because this difference is between aldehyde, and then this one is aliphatic aldehyde. This one is aromatic aldehyde. So we can use toluene. Okay, we can use toluene or phthalate. Okay, toluene or phthalate. Okay, another name for phthalate is Binetic. Binetic test is same as phthalate test. For certain book, they will write the Binetic test. Okay, biasa kita buat toluene, phthalate je. Sekiranya you nampak soalan tu cakap pasal Binetic, kemudian bagi Brady precipitate, actually is equal to phthalate. Okay, so there are 2 answers for 8B. Okay, if we proceed with C2-pentanone, 3-pentanone, since both are ketone. So you lukis struktur you tahu ini ialah untuk test methyl carbonyl, iodoform. Okay, iodoform test. Okay, propana, butanone senang lah, phthalate ataupun toluene. So let's check your friend's answer. Tengok dia betul ke tak. Okay, A memang tak boleh ya. So this one is Brady ya. So Brady. Nanti kumpulan merah share semula jawapan Brady test. Okay. If you still remember, right, Madam beritahu sebelum, kalau nak jawab soalan pasal chemical test, first, mesti beritahu saya test apa. Kedua, reagent apa. Okay. Kalau ada condition, kena tambah condition juga. Okay, untuk case ini tak ada condition. Okay, lepas tu equation 1. So you tunjuk equation 1 dah. Observation 1, equation 2, observation 2. Okay, walaupun no reaction atau tak, jangan tulis no reaction. Madam tak ajar no reaction, betul tak? Saya tak ajar no reaction. Saya tak ajar no reaction. Saya ajar apa?
No
No
observable
observable
reaction.
reaction.
Yes, no observable reaction. No observable reaction. Please follow. No observable reaction. Okay, so for this question memang jawapan salah, tapi I boleh ajar kerana you tulis no reaction memang salah. No observable reaction. Okay, so Brady So Brady, for hexanon, the observation is yellow precipitate form. Okay, and then for this one is no yellow precipitate form. Okay, and then you try to do the, what is the reagent? The reagent is 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Okay. Okay, you have to know what is hydrazine. Hydrazine is NH and then NH2. Okay, NH, NH2. Because nitrogen with three bonding, maximum 3 bonding. So N, and sorry, this is phenyl, this is hydrogen, this is attached to N. And then 2 nitro, 4 nitro. Okay, attached with N. So that's why this is position 1, position 2, position 4. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Okay, so condensation happen. So you eliminate the O over here and then the H2 over here and then join. Then you will know what is the product. So that is the reason why I want you all write down the equation for the lab report. So as practice, okay, practice, you tahu dah condensation macam mana nak bentuk. Okay, and then B, let's check. B, you are using butana benzaldehyde. Why you use iodoform? Salah juga. Okay. Reg team, Reg team selalu kena saya marah. Madam tahu. Okay. Reg team M1T2, Reg team always kena saya, okay, marah punya. So your work, okay. Bukan salah Syahid, bukan salah Syahid. It's due to your team. No discussion. Okay. I prefer we all discuss the answer. Okay, you all have discussion and then discuss what is the answer supposed to be. Okay, Kritina, you also this group, right? Kritana. Hello, Kritana. You also from Reg team, right? Where is Kritana? Kritana is not joining. Oh, join. Hello, Kritana. Where are you? Madam tak dengar ke? Saya tak dengar. Yes. Ya, Madam tak dengar. Tak apa, you jawab. Kritana, you from Reg team, right? Okay, jadi kena guide your friend since you are the power leader. Okay, since you are the power leader, you have to guide your friend as well. Okay, siapa yang dari kumpulan merah pun kena bekerja sama dengan ketua, semua orang kena buat sesuatu. Okay, jangan bergantung seorang je. Okay, jangan jadi ahli tumpang. Okay, so just now I give you the answer already. So this one is for B, what is the answer? Tolerance of fouling. Tolerance of fouling. So you must write down, okay, tolerance test or fouling test, and then give the reagent, write down the equation 1, observation 1, equation 2, observation 2. If tolerant reagent, the positive result is silver mirror form. If fouling is red precipitate form. Okay, you do it by yourself. Okay, try to make the correction by yourself. Okay. Iodoform. Okay, iodoform. There is no CH3 word. This is not CH3, so impossible to use iodoform. So for here also no CH3, so cannot iodoform. Okay, look at C. C, yes. C, yes. But the structure is wrong. Okay, the structure is wrong. Pentanon, my dear, pentanon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon. And then pentanon C2 is here. Suppose like this. So there is CH2 here. Okay, CH2. And then C double bond O. CH2, CH2, CH3. Meaning that here CH2 is missing. So by right there is a CH2. Okay. So how about here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Also called four carbon. Okay. Kalau you jawab test dengan betul, okay. Again, please write out the name of the test, the name of the test, and then reagent. Okay, I keep on reminding this part, for chemical test, must write down first, what is the name of the test? Second, what is the reagent and condition? Then equation 1, observation 1, equation 2, observation 2. Please follow this format. Okay. Today, not the first time you answer about the question related with chemical test. Previously, you learned about alkene. Alkene, you learned already for Bayer test. Okay. Bromine in inert solvent, bromine in dichloromethyl reaction. Okay, you have to follow exactly, yeah. Okay, never mind. Let's madam show to you all one more time. Okay. Oh, stop presenting. I want to share here another window. Okay, this one. Okay, so previously we learned about Lucas test. You see, I asked you, all right, must write the test, Lucas test. And then what is the reagent? Mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and zinc chloride. Okay, and then equation 1, observation 1. Okay, because here no comparison. Just primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. If I ask about the primary and secondary alcohol, so mean this is the first equation, first observation, second equation, second observation. Okay, same for Bayer that we learned last time. Okay, this one, ding, ding, ding. Here, okay, chemical test. So Bayer's test. So the reagent, the condition, and then equation 1, equation 2. Okay, make sure you give the test, the name correctly, follow exactly. So this is Bayer test. This is no bromine test. We cannot write down bromine test. If I can write, I will write bromine test, but according to the answer scheme, right, or the way to answer the question, right, if you use bromine in inert solvent, you write down the name of the test is reaction with bromine in CH2Cl2 or reaction with bromine in water. Okay, reaction with bromine in water no need dark condition, because there is no reaction for alkane. If alkane, no reaction. No matter dark or UV, no reaction for alkane. So that's why this is the conditions, no condition. But for bromine, yes, the condition must in UV. Okay, if not, right, free radical substitution might happen for the alkane. Okay, so many times already you answer the question related with chemical test. So follow the SOP lah, standard order and procedure. Okay, the standard order and procedure is you must write out the name, okay, the reagent and condition, equation 1, observation 1, okay, equation 2, observation 2. And then for the negative result, right, for example, the negative result, okay, the positive is reddish brown color of bromine solution decolorized. So for the negative result, you write down the reddish brown color of bromine solution remain unchanged. Clear, everybody? The way to answer chemical test, clear?
Clear, madam.
Clear, madam.
Okay, so for today's topic is about carbonyl. So you see how to write down the test. Okay, Brady test, Tolan reagent. Brady test. Please help madam check. Is there any apostrophe S or just Brady test? Double confirm. Okay, you can check from your book. I also check from my books. I want double confirm. Because if the spelling wrong, right? Wrong. Yeah, there is a apostrophe S. Okay, how about lecture notes? Okay, I want to check the lecture notes as well. Please give me a few seconds. I want to check the lecture notes. Okay. Kalau apa-apa yang tak sure kan, pergi cari lecture notes. Lecture notes is the last reference. Lecture notes. For the condensation reaction, Brady test. Adakah anda cari ataupun madam seorang je yang check? 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Okay, tolerance. Phalanx. Okay. I share screen with you all. Something special. Be careful. Okay. Stop presenting. Share a window. Share entire screen. Okay. So I'm open the lecture notes now. Okay, can you see tolerance test? Yes or no?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
You see, this is lecture notes, tolerance, like this, and then you check for failing like this. Okay, be careful, failing, FEHLING apostrophe S, but tolerant is TOLLENS apostrophe. Be careful, I tell you, I will forget as well. Madam also tak ingat, Madam tak ingat juga. Okay, now this is phonetic test. Phonetic test actually is same as failing. Okay, so failing apostrophe S. Okay, phonetic apostrophe S. Shift apostrophe S. Okay, but tolerant is tolerance apostrophe. How about Brady? Why there is no name for Brady test? Yeah, here. Apostrophe. Brady's reagent. Okay, so I have to do some correction for my slide. This one, suppose is Brady test, apostrophe S. Okay, be careful, Okay, failing, yes, correct. Tolerant, correct. Okay, kita tak tahu PSPM dua objektif ke subjektif, That's why madam nak stand by you all untuk subjektif juga, Okay, objektif tu boleh lah rasanya you all boleh tak nampak dah jawapan terus. Tapi subjektif tu biasanya senang salah. Okay, so there are Brady test, special for carbonyl compound, tolerant reagent, aldehyde and ketone. So the way to answer, you must mention the test. Yeah. Okay, you must mention the test, the name of the test, the reagent, and then equation 1, observation 1. Okay, if negative result, just write down no silver mirror form. And then for the equation, no observable reaction. Okay, so madam agak sedih lah. Mengapa? Kerana nampak jawapan bagi kumpulan merah tu semua salah. Sampai C masih salah. Okay. Okay, mari kita tengok D dia. Jawapan D dia macam mana pula. Okay, D. Akhirnya betul dah. Propana and butanon. Okay, propana and butanon, yes. Okay, so you are using Fehling test. Observation, what is the reagent? You must mention the reagent. What is the reagent? So the reagent is copper complex in basic medium. So precipitate, yeah. Okay, this is the equation 1. Where is the observation 1? Okay, this is the equation 2. Wrong, you have to write down no observable reaction. And then observation, yes, correct. Okay, kalau you jawab macam ni kan, sebenarnya you tak dapat markah langsung. Okay, untuk case macam ini kan, okay, contohnya kalau jawab markah dia 3, okay, dia biasanya kena equation 2 betul baru dapat 1. Okay, kemudian equation yang ini you sudah salah, tak dapat. Observation kena 2 betul baru dapat 1. Equation ni you tak tulis, okay, you tak tulis observation kat sini, maka you pun tak dapat markah dah. So, then chemical test you tulis dengan betul, kemudian reagent tu tak mention pun tak dapat markah. So, nampak you macam jawab soalan. You jawab macam dengan betul, sebenarnya you 1 markah pun tak dapat. Okay, for essay question quite strict. So, make sure you answer correctly and follow the SOP that I guide you all. Okay? Again and again, I know I keep on saying the same thing, but I want you all follow. What is the name of the test? Please make sure the name of the test correctly. For example, Brady must apostrophe S, and then test. And then what reagent you are using? Okay. Okay, for example, this one you're using 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Okay, you write down 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Okay, and then the equation, make sure you write down the equation correctly. So you must write down this reagent for the equation. And then if negative result, write down no observable reaction. Okay, if no observable change, acceptable as well. But for the negative observation, right, you must follow the positive one. If positive is silver mirror form, the negative is no silver mirror form. Clear? Clear for the chemical test?
Clear, madam.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now we look at question number 9. Okay, the last question. An aromatic compound W. Okay, so for here, you know this is aromatic compound. Aromatic compound means a benzene normally. C7H7Br react with aqueous sodium hydroxide to give compound X. Okay, and then the second clue, oxidation of compound X using pyridine dichromate, PCC, means this is the weak oxidizing agent, get compound Y. Okay, and then next, further compound Y will form compound Z. Okay, if oxidation using acidified potassium dichromate, this is strong oxidizing agent. Okay, at the same time, another clue for compound Y. Okay, another clue for compound Y. So compound Y form orange precipitate with Brady. So mean that this is carbonyl compound. So give the structure W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so very good because you answer right. Okay, actually right, you show it clearly because you tell me this is W, and then this is X, this is Y, and then this is Z. Okay, very good. Okay, you have to do like this. You have to mention or you can write down W dot dot X dot dot Y dot dot Z dot dot first without the equation. Also no problem. Okay, and then okay, you show all the equations. Okay. What I want to tell you all, right? Okay, if you still remember this morning section, I show the how to answer the deduced question, right? Am I right? This morning I show you how to answer the deduced question, right? Everybody still remember? I form a table, and then I try to answer each of the clue and then give the explanation.
Yes, madam.
Betul tak? Bagi tadi madam ada bincangkan deduce, kemudian setiap clue madam buat penerangan. Selain tunjuk equation, kita buat penerangan, betul tak? Okay.
Betul, madam.
Tak salah. Jawapan dia boleh dapat markah penuh. Untuk cara jawab ni mungkin dapat markah penuh. Mungkin. Mengapa saya cakap mungkin? Tengok markah dia. Kalau markah 8, yes, dia dapat markah penuh dah. Tapi kalau markah 10, dia mungkin tak dapat markah penuh. Mengapa? Okay, mengapa? Okay.
No explanation.
Yes, no explanation. Okay. No explanation. Explanation dia sudah hilang. Explanation ada markah. Explanation ada markah. Okay, contoh. Sekarang you dapat contoh lah. I assume tengok I cek jawapan. Okay, yes, betul. Okay, ada ni betul. Kenapa tak tahu? Okay. Madam tanda. Kenapa tak keluar pen ni? Okay. So, tengok yang ini dia betul. W dia betul. Okay, X dia pun betul. Okay, lepas tu Y dia pun betul. Kemudian Z dia pun betul. Okay, equation memang betul lah kerana dia tunjuk. Ini Brady dia pun tunjuk. Okay, 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine dapat ni. Okay, Brady test. Okay, dia tunjuk semua equation. Maka dia akan dapat markah yang seterusnya lagi ialah okay, equation dia tunjuk kerana soalan nak semua equation. So, equation dapat, equation dapat, equation dapat, equation dapat. 8 markah. Okay, kalau soalan 8 markah, tanya you dapat markah penuh 8. Tapi kalau soalan 10, you tak dapat markah penuh. Okay, you tak dapat markah penuh. You kena beritahu, okay, for example, part yang mana boleh beritahu? Okay, W. Okay, you kena beritahu mengapa you dapat C7H7Br macam ni. Okay, you have to mention because the ratio. Okay, you have to mention the ratio. Okay, why you know this is C7H7Br is this structure? Because with this molecular size, molecular C7H7, and then the ratio of H to C is 1:1. Okay, ratio carbon to hydrogen is 1:1. Show that W contain a benzene ring. Okay, madam tak tulis you all catatkan Madam tak tulis bagi you catatkan penerangan dia. Okay, for W, right, you have to explain why you know this is a benzene ring. First, of course, it's due to aromatic compound. And then aromatic compound sebenarnya bukan C6H6 sahaja, dia boleh benda lain. Tapi mengapa ini ialah benzene ring? Kerana the ratio of carbon to hydrogen is 1:1. This showing that W contain a benzene ring. Dah catat? Okay ya. Nanti madam nak semua orang hantar tutorial Excel ni semua kena hantar. Kemudian kita dah buat perbincangan. Jadi semua orang akan dapat jawapan yang betul. Okay. Jot down. So the explanation for the W, right? You have to write down W with molecular size C7H7Br. The ratio of carbon to hydrogen is 1:1. Show that W contain a benzene ring. Ini yang penerangan pertama. Okay, next. X. Okay. X. Sodium hydroxide. Okay. Anda tahu kan, kalau feno, dia boleh bertindak balas dengan sodium dan sodium hydroxide. Okay, dia boleh bertindak balas dengan sodium dan sodium hydroxide. This case. Okay. Okay, so meaning that proving that this is not fair. This is not fair. Is it feno? Okay, is it feno? Whether not but okay, no, sorry. This is benzene bromo. It's not related. Okay, so after that, red. Okay, so the clue is W react with sodium hydroxide form an alcohol X. So you know this is alcohol. Undergo what? Nucleophilic substitution. Okay, nucleophilic substitution is happened. Okay, and then the Br is replaced or substituted by OH and then form alcohol. Here, so W react with sodium hydroxide and then form an alcohol X. Alcohol X, because here didn't mention, okay, alcohol. So what is compound X? Compound X is an alcohol. So W react with sodium hydroxide, which undergo nucleophilic substitution and then form alcohol X. Catat, W react with sodium hydroxide, which undergo nucleophilic substitution and form alcohol X. Clear?
Clear, madam.
Madam, repeat boleh?
Okay, ini ialah apa? Ini ialah halaukin kan? So this compound, right? Compound W, okay, ataupun you cakap bromobenzyl, okay, react with sodium hydroxide, which undergo nucleophilic substitution and then form alcohol X. Yeah. Tadi W dapat ikut tak? W mengapa ialah bentuk ni? W tadi ratio carbon and hydrogen is 1:1. Ratio carbon to hydrogen is 1:1. That's why showing that there is a aromatic ring. There's an aromatic ring. Itu dapatlah W1, X1. Tengok kalau madam tak cakap nak hantar, semua tak catat. Okay, penghantaran kerja minggu ni semua kat Google Classroom. Nanti I akan open the form. Okay, Google Classroom. Minggu ni kita guna Google Classroom. Okay, now we proceed with compound Y. What is the explanation for compound Y? Okay, you have to know PCC, the pyridine chromate, is a weak oxidizing agent. Okay, due to this is weak oxidizing agent, then it will form aldehyde. Because this one is primary alcohol. This compound is primary alcohol. Okay, this compound is primary alcohol. This compound is primary alcohol. That's why it only forms aldehyde. Why? Because this is weak oxidizing agent. So reduction of alcohol X with weak oxidizing agent form an aromatic aldehyde Y. And then you can continue for here, because compound Y, actually this one also compound Y. This one also compound Y. And then you can continue the explanation, and then which give orange precipitate with Brady test. Okay, which give, you mentioned that this is Brady test with give orange precipitate with Brady test, showing that this is carbonyl compound. You tulis je apa yang you faham, tulis dalam ayat sendiri. You beritahu, oh, alkohol ni, this is primary alcohol. Mengapa dia bentuk aldehyde? Mengapa dia bentuk aldehyde? Kerana dia bertindak balas dengan weak oxidizing agent. pada masa yang sama dia memberi positive result towards Brady test kerana berdasarkan clue yang diberi ialah orange precipitate form. So it will give a positive result, okay, with Brady test. Tunjuk sekali lagi dia ialah aldehyde, which is carbonyl compound. Yeah. Reduction of alcohol X. This is alcohol X with oxidizing agent form an aromatic aldehyde Y. At the same time, okay, showing that this is Y is carbonyl compound. Why? Because it gives the positive result towards Brady reagent. Okay, last sekali oxidation. Okay, because aldehyde react with strong oxidizing agent and then it will form a aromatic carboxylic acid, which is benzoic acid. Okay, oxidation of aromatic aldehyde, okay, with strong oxidizing agent form Z, which is an aromatic carboxylic acid, or which is benzoic acid. Okay. Okay, boleh? Okay, ni jawapan Mayam kan, betul tak? Ke Minghua? Minghua, okay. Kerana tulisan Minghua dan Mayam memang gemas. Okay. Yeah. So, make sure right when you answer the question related with deduce right, you tengok markah lah. Okay. Sebenarnya kalau you tak tengok markah pun jawab macam ni. Kerana kita tak tahu permarkahan tu macam mana. Kalau dia nak X, Y, W, X, Y, Z, pastikan X, W, X, Y, Z betul. Dia nak tuliskan semua equation, pastikan semua equation betul. Kemudian you buat penerangan. Penerangan mengapa you dapat W macam tu, dapat X macam tu, dapat Y macam tu, dapat Z macam tu. Okay, buat dalam kotak je. Macam buat madam. Hari tu madam buat, okay, W, okay. So, general formula C7H7Br. Okay, buat dalam bentuk kotak lah, lebih sesuai. Okay, siapa yang dah buat dia tak apa. Tapi madam galakkan you buat macam madam ajar you hari pagi ini. Okay, any question do you want to ask? Okay, so now it's 3:45. Okay, I think we stop here. Okay,